Be reviewing and trying the ICHIRAN ramen. As you know, this is a very popular Japanese ramen place, and I'm gonna give it a test and see since really good. That's honestly one of the best like tonkatsu soup. It feels like you just got it fresh at a restaurant. It tastes so good. They have now an instant one if you want to eat their food from the house. And I already opened it, but here what's inside. And I'm gonna show you the process of how to cook it and then my taste test. So when you open this, it's comes separated. Sorry, I'm struggling with one hand. But it comes with one portion, which is great. You're gonna add it to boiling water. Stir consistently for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. After the 2-minute timer is up, now I prepared everything and we're gonna put the spice. Now we mix and now I'm gonna try it. Okay, I just took my first bite. That was really